How to unsubscribe from any app or website in few minutes. In this video, I will be showing us how you can unsubscribe from any kind of website that might be debiting you unknowingly or unnecessarily. Let's dive right into it. Open your Play Store, and once your Play Store opens, you are going to need to navigate to that particular Google account that you have subscribed with, which you want to cancel the subscription from. And how will you get that Google account? You come to this upper part of your phone at your right hand side. You can see where the bell icon is, the notification icon. Beside it is a circle where I have letter S. So once you click on that place, let's click on it. It will navigate and take you to this spot. Let's assume this email is not the one I want to use. For those who said, oh, the Google account I have present is not what I'm using, so this is what you need to do. You come down to this arrow where you have this arrow in front of where I have Sholadvem. So that arrow that points down, click on that arrow and it will pop up all your emails that you have for you to navigate to that particular email that you want to unsubscribe from, or that you want to cancel the subscription. So once you pick that email will be the one that will show in this place where we have Sholadvem. So let me pick another Google account for you to see what I am saying. You can see now that it took me back to where I started from, and the Google account and I have there is now different from the previous one that I have now. So right now, if I want to unsubscribe with this particular account, then all I need to do is to go straight to that place where I have my picture. Then it will take me down to this place. You will move to payment and subscription. Payment and subscription under this Google account. Payment and subscription. Then it will take you to another interface where you will have payment method, purchase verification, subscriptions, budget and history, redeem code. Now what we want to work on is to cancel a subscription. So all we need to do is to click on this subscription. Once you click on this subscription, you are going to see the particular website or that particular app or that particular whatsoever that you have subscribed with that account to. You can see that. Once you see it, you click on it for you to get the details. So this is a particular app I have on my phone that I have subscribed to. If I want to unsubscribe on this app, all I need to do is click on cancel subscription. I hope we get it. So that is how you navigate to cancel your subscription on any kind of website or app. Now let's go back to the practical aspect of it. So if you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like the video, kindly like, subscribe and drop your comments in the comment section. I will provide answer to each of your questions. Now let's move to unsubscribe for you to see what you will be seeing once you have unsubscribed successfully. So this is what you need to do. Once you log in through your Play Store app, you click on that place where you have your picture or your name whatsoever at the upper part of beside the bell icon. Just click on it and it will take you down to this place where you move down to payment and subscription. You click on your payment and subscription, then you click on subscriptions. It will display all the subscriptions you have on that particular email, on that particular Google. And once it's displayed, click on that particular one that you want to cancel the subscription, so that it will take you to that main one. You can see here I have two different subscription presently on this Google account. So to cancel this, once you click on it, it will take you to this place where you need to cancel the subscription. All you need to do is come down to the last end and click on cancel subscription. So once you click on that, it will roll up and give you option. What is making you cancel? Before canceling, let us know why you are leaving. Your response may be shared with the developer. So why are you canceling? Technical issues. I don't use this service enough. Costs related reason. I found a better app. Order decline to answer. So I'll be going for click on continue, and it will take me here. It says your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period on August 5, and you won't be charged anymore. After this date, you will no longer have access to this benefit from Google One. So all the benefits you have gotten from that particular website, or that you have gotten from that particular app, will be cancelled once you cancel your subscription. So you should note that is why you are canceling here, because you no longer want to use that particular service. So it will take you straight to this place. I hope you are getting the step by step. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Deborah. I am the brain behind Sholadvem247. I am a digital expert, a business registration agent for any kind of business registration, be it CAC, SCOM, your TIN, trademark, and all of that. Feel free to reach out to me using the link in the description. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Drop your questions in the comment section and I will be glad to give an answer to it. The next thing you need to do is to click on cancel subscription. Allow it to load up. Make sure you don't leave this interface till it shows you this. You can see down here it says subscription will be cancelled, and here after that it pops up this interface at the upper part which says Google One cancelled. You can see your subscription. Yeah, this subscription was to end on August 5, but here I have cancelled it, so I will not have privilege to use this particular app again because I have cancelled it. So if I want to resubscribe now, that is when you can see it shows resubscribe, but I am not resubscribing. So I just cancelled my subscription like this. I hope you find value in this and I hope you understand this. If you have more questions, drop it in the comments and I will be glad to answer each and every questions that you drop. Thank you, and don't forget to like this video. Also share to family and friends for others also to learn one or two things which you have gained access to from my channel. Thank you and bye for now.